There it is. Looks like we got 28 in. Sorry about that, guys. Power 48. 28 in. Welcome to Chicago. Alright guys, first of all, the first train in this train video was Norfolk Southern 28 in. It came from Chicago, Illinois. It's going to Charlotte, North Carolina. The second train in this train video was Norfolk Southern L38. It came from Marion, Ohio, and that was L38. It came from Alright, that was L38. It came from Waldo, Ohio, and it's going to Marion, Ohio. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.